Assalamu alaikum, class 8. This is me Sana Uruj and you are taking class of mathematics. Chapter number 1, operation on sets. The topic we are going to discuss today are set, sets of numbers, subset, proper subset, improper subset, power set, union of sets, intersection of sets, properties of sets. Firstly, come to the topic set. What is a set? A set is a collection of elements or numbers or objects represented within curly bracket. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4 is a set of numbers. You can write your friend's name within curly bracket. You can write the cities of Pakistan within curly bracket. It will be a set. If you will write any combination of different elements, different numbers, different objects, different alphabets within curly bracket, it means you are writing a set. Sets of number. You all know about different types of numbers: whole numbers, natural numbers, rational numbers, integers, even numbers, odd numbers, prime numbers. W represents whole numbers. We have all the whole numbers inside the bracket: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dot, dot, and so on. N is called natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dot, dot, and so on are all the natural numbers. We are writing these numbers within a curly bracket. It means we are writing a set of natural numbers. Z is called integers. Integers include 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 4, plus minus 5, dot, dot, and so on. Q represents rational numbers. We are writing rational numbers in a set builder form here. What is set builder form? We will discuss it later, but you know about rational numbers. Rational numbers includes whole numbers and integers. We can write all the whole numbers. We know that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, dot, dot, and so on are all the whole numbers, but we cannot write all the fractional number. That's why we are writing rational number in this form. X is a rational number, is equals to P upon Q. We know that we represent a rational number in the form of P upon Q. PQ belongs to integer. This sign represent belongs to integer. Integers means Z. We represent integers with the alphabet Z. Q is not equal to 0 in rational numbers. E is called even numbers. 0, plus minus 2, plus minus 4, plus minus 6, plus minus 8, dot, dot, and so on are all the even numbers. O is called odd numbers. Plus minus 1, plus minus 3, plus minus 5, dot, dot, and so on. P is called prime numbers. You all know what are prime numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers who have factor 1 and the number itself. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 are all prime numbers. Subset. A subset is a set whose elements are all members of another set. The symbol means is a subset of. What is a subset? We are talking about another set in this definition. You can say that given set. If you have a set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the members of the set, and you are saying that 2 is the subset of this set. Yes, 2 is the subset of this set because all the members of subset are the members of set. What are the members of subset? Only 2, and 2 is the member of the given set. If you have a set A, B, C and you are saying that A, B is a subset of the given set, yes, you are right, because all the elements of subset are the elements of the given set. Proper and improper subset. These are the two types of subset. An improper subset is a subset containing every element of the original set. A proper subset contains some but not all the elements of the original set. For example, consider a set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. then 1, 2, 4 and 1 are the example of proper subset, because 1, 2, 4 and 1 do not contain all the elements of the given set, but the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is an improper subset because it contains all the elements of the given set. Power set. The power set of any set A is the set of all the subsets of A, including the empty set and A itself. It is written as PA. If you have a set having elements AB, how many subset you will make? Null set, empty set, you can say that null set, empty set, whatever you want to say, A, B and AB. Null set, set includes A, set includes B, are all proper subset, but the set A comma B is the improper subset. The set of all the subset, it is called a power set. Empty set A, B, AB are making a power set together. Union of sets. The union of two sets is a new set that contains all of the elements that are in at least one of the two sets. For example, 1, 2, union 2, 3. We have two sets here and we are taking union of these two sets. What I will write in the union set? 1, 2, we have 2 in the first set and 2 in the second set, but I will write 2 one time only. 3, because 3 is in the second set. A union B, if I say A is equals to 1, 2 and B is equals to 2, 3, A union B is equals to 1, 2, 3. Intersection of sets. The intersection of two sets is a new set that contains all of the elements that are in both sets. For example, E is equals to is a set DAY and F is equals to NIGHT. We don't have any common element in between E and F. That's why E intersection F is equals to null set or empty set. Properties of sets with respect to union and intersection. Commutative property. Commutative property of union is A union B is equals to B union A. Commutative property of intersection is A intersection B is equals to B intersection A. It's mean when we will take union of A and B and B and A, the answer will be same. When we will take intersection of A and B and A, it will be same set. Associative property. Associative property of union, A union B, we have bracket on the first two sets. Union C is equals to A union bracket B union C. It's mean if you place bracket on the first two sets and if you place bracket on the last two sets, the answer will remain same. Associative property of intersection is A intersection B intersection C, we have bracket on the first two sets, is equals to A intersection B intersection C. B intersection C is in the bracket. The place of brackets are changed in left hand side and right hand side, but the answer will be same. Distributive property. What is distributive property? Distributive property of union over intersection. First one is this. A union B intersection C is equals to A union B intersection A union C. You know about that distributive property. I am talking about distributive property. You know about that. What is distributive property? In multiplication, you know that if we have one element outside the bracket, the term outside the bracket will multiply with the first term of the bracket and after that with the second term of the bracket. We are doing the same here. A union B intersection A union C. Distributive property of intersection over union is A intersection bracket B union C bracket closed is equals to A intersection B union A intersection C. We are multiplying the element A with the first term of the bracket and after that with the second term of the bracket. Thank you.